You gotta be a real egotistical piece of shit to vlog. It's 5:54, it's not that early, but early enough. Please start. Thank you. Did you forget anything else? Taking more of my money. Starting to spot mustangs already. Still have 20 minutes of driving. Would have filmed us coming in, but we kind of got out of Amish country and into the racetrack. It was weird. Alright, I got this. It's here. Should probably clean that up. There's wires everywhere. Straws. Leah made it too. She looks clean. Good job.
I just looked at my wheels. I'm like, yeah,
they don't look clean at all.
they're stained.
They're stained.
Here. Yeah, like this shit. Some of it doesn't come off, like especially like in here.
Maybe
like
you should clean your wheels more than once a year. That's my favorite car I've seen so far. I wanted a schmiskit or whatever the hell sheets called. They're sandwiches. Schmuffins, schmiskits, schmishonch. I wanted a croissant one, but I didn't think my stomach would be able to handle it. Mustang, 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 Mustang. I don't know where Leo went. He forgot something. As per tradition, he will forget at least 75 things today before noon. The real reason I'm here is to see where certain things go. There's that ground wire I was looking for. Let's see if we can get down to the air conditioning system. It's really hard to see. Here we see the winner of the Rev competition. You called it. Let's see if it happens.
Let's go to YouTube.
Yeah, it'll be one of my videos to get 50 views.
I don't think there's a pen in here.
There's definitely a pen in there.
Oh man, you need a pen? Yeah, cause I got a. How does yours have a pen?
Are you missing every goddamn thing?
Look at it. Oh, you got a hat. Wait, you got a hat?
Here, you have to grab it with your mouth.
You got a hat?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong? You got a city bag. I got ripped off. Right. Let's go. Let's go to the car. I gotta finish the car.
Where are you going with my pen? This is all VIP parking. This is the people that paid like
$100-something.
Mustang car show.
Curbskis. I really think you should write "Only God Can Judge Me."
Vloggers hang out with other vloggers, so they all have their cameras, like a little.
We gotta find Sam so we can do that.
Yeah.
What's he doing? I think he's signing autographs.
Aww.
Just like looking at her butt and remembering how I put my mouth on it.
And your tongue.
I kind of wanted to look at the sale booth, see if I could find some fucking headlights for like $2.
Find some wheels for my car.
It's crowded.
Yeah.
These are the actual competition cars too. Did you see that chase run? Shit was ridiculous. See, hood pins. They're fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, fine. What you tell them?
Dude, I really want a fucking sequential. Leo, look at that sticker.
What's that?
That sticker.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's the one we have.
I bet this guy has so much fun. All right, we've reached the end of the show.
We'd like to thank today's show.
Why do you hate Chip Foose, Leo?
Cars ever
I don't know. I think his his shit's tacky.
So why not keep them busy? We do
Hear that,
have
Chip
a
Foose?
kids'
Fucking calling you out.
You heard it here first. Scraping.
I can't see anything. Okay, there he is. This will be a segue in my video. You know, a segue like going from one film to another.
What, that guy?
Yeah, because it's a segue.
It's not a segue though.
It's a fucking segue.
A hoverboard with a stick.
That's what a fucking segue is.
No, a segue is when you hold it like up here.
God damn it, I hate you. GT350 looks so good in lightning blue.
It looks real good without stripes.
Yeah. But that's the combo I'd want.
Hey! What's up, man? You vlogging here? Are you
We're gonna vlog because you're vlogging.
Yeah. Are you? Okay, we're gonna vlog you vlogging. Goes to American Muscle Show, wears the LMR shirt. No, it's not bleeding. We thought your pointer finger would be bleeding from
Probably have a
like this all the time. You can actually see the smudges. There's a few smudges on there. Yeah. Right there.
Yep. God. 42?
In 2 weeks.
I forgot to get on Tinder.
He owns the most defensive Mustang ever. That's cool about it. Stop, no. You guys, I did not want to be the focal point of two different vlogs.
It's the Leo show.
I'm about to implode.
The big reveal.
What are they revealing?
The Make-A-Wish.
I hope they're revealing titties.
Awesome.
What?
The wing.
Where's that going to be?
It's wider than yours.
It's a big white black trailer. It says American Muscle Turn 5 on. You can't miss it. It's to the left.
Months ago.
They're gonna say that that's like the best rap.
Clean as a wrap. Is that a wrap? Can't see the seams.
Yeah, rap.
We'll just say it's a wrap.
I'm anti-rap. I don't even rap my wiener.
Same.
I'm letting the fans do their photography.
My ride.
So I'm letting them.
It's 10:41 though. It's about time for you to drink.
I'm letting them do their photo
We're
shoot,
gonna
dude. I still think I should go full lock.
Car has like a Carolina lean.
I know. I'm trying to bring that to the Fox Body world.
It's for drift cars though, bro.
I have noticed a lot of drift cars though.
Yeah, they all. A lot of them do. Most of the Foxes have to do that.
See the sticker game, man?
I see the sticker.
Sticker game.
You want me to
It's on
open
point.
best sticker?
There's not a single American Muscle sticker on this car.
LMR sells so much better at Fox Body parts. And there's really showing up. There he is.
You had some speed with that, so I know you've been practicing that dance move.
What are you doing?
You saw that damn Katy Perry thing on Saturday Night Live, and you've been practicing that dance move.
Don't talk about Katy Perry.
Well, you like those dance moves though, that. Yeah, look, you're doing it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Somehow that kid defied space and time and did that dance move.
He was like,
Yeah. And then went like super hyper speed. He bent space and time.
is it like you cross it like that?
All right, we're here at American Muscle 2017. This is the dance-off competition. Oh, you got served. I feel like you have to be on drugs to do it. I feel like the backpack's full of cocaine.
What?
That's right, it's a guy with a beard punching a bear in the fucking mouth.
Is Rob so
All the video, guys.
Oh, we got one.
I'll probably be the last person to update this video. I will upload this video.
I think film going through Mystifier.
Because you're mystifying. Get it? Get it, guys?
Mystifying?
Yeah. Just go and have fun through your bouncy castle.
Leo did it.
So nice. I'm going to. It's got a hat on. It's fine. Still there, YouTube? Oh, okay, great. The mystification turned out great.
Brilliant. Here's your girl's car.
There's the 18. Oh wow, this is Stephanie Wood's car. Oh wow. So majestic. Oh wow.
It's on air ride.
Can you guys take a picture of me next to it? See her build list so I can completely replicate it. Did you see the Hoonigan pack they're coming out with on Forza? Oh, it's all the Hoonigan cars on Forza.
Yeah, they have the Twerk Stallion, they have
Yeah, the Hoonicorn, the fucking...
the Escort Mark.
How
Yeah.
much is American Muscle paying this guy? This guy too, he's a GT250.
Yeah, it's got, those are Ford stars.
These are all the Wait, these are all the people who
It's
work.
supposed to be the employee rides. You know how hard it is to get roadhead while the person's driving?
Can't relate. Hold on, I got the wheel.
Man, that painter's tape looks really nice too. It's like really smooth. I'm doing it for H2O. I swear to God I'm doing it. I'm putting a thin blue line of painter's tape across my back window.
You're
Say I
gonna do the
support the
craziest
cops.
thing ever, and then they're gonna get pulled over. You're like, put the thin blue line.
I'm going.
Support you guys.
It's Iron Man dip. I was thinking about doing the Iron Man thing too. Not now. Not now because of Red Mamba. You should bring Lily next year and let her pick her favorite and give somebody a trophy.
Lily's choice.
I judge it by how long she stays near the car.
Lily's Choice sounds like a Lifetime movie about abortion. Let's go get the water out of my cooler and we'll just put it in on the middle of the street. Like Cruise Week. We'll just poke a hole in the fucking hand wash thing. Just drag it across. I think there's one every year, isn't there?
What's that?
Somebody rear end somebody else.
Someone's gonna launch.
Let's lie to him. I work for Hoonigan. My name's Hurt.
One just goes around signing people's cars.
Horsepower at the wheels. Give it up for Andy.
I should have worn my Andy Howard t-shirt. What's up, man? Good run. You did crowd pleaser after that song. I'm gonna name my car after that Future song. Pull the mask off, and I'll just rip the front bumper off. So famous.
Are you really carrying that around?
Are you really?
This is when the lightning storm comes in.
Is kind of hurting a little bit today.
How's a good friend of mine?
There's literally nothing.
Here at Mastering Earth, safety is our #1 concern.
Hey man, long live the king.
We got a special guest.
I was trying to recreate the Lion King and throw him off.
Me off.
Let's
This is
meet our
awesome.
third contestant here. Contestant number 5. Ford Focus on the side here by the DJ tent, blocking in one of our facility trucks. License, can you please back out so we can get one of our trucks out? Thank you very much.
Dang, bubble flares. He's a drifter. He's ready for the action. He's got his gear. He's ready for action.
All right, so what is so special about this one?
Which one?
Are you taking a picture of?
It's mine.
Oh!
Good song.
American Muscle.
Yeah, no, you can. You're good, boy. Where's that guy going?
Help. Look at his forehead.
Leave my forehead alone.
Christ. Usually tan lines are sexy, but that makes me fucking repulsed. Like, I might throw up.
How long has it been since you got laid?
Many moons. Your spray on tan was a little fucked up. You're not supposed to wear your do-rag when you go in that booth. You know that, right, Leo? See, this is why I don't get why people want notches. If you have a hatch, you can take a nap whenever you want. When I get the other Coyote motor, I might pick it up in the Fox body. Just take the hatch off. Use it like a truck. Look at this. This is American as fuck. I want him to meet my mom just so he can meet my dad.
Bye.
Bye. Nice seeing you.
Bye, buddy. Always looking to see you. Hey, man. See you later,
brother.
See you, love. Have a good one.
Love you.
I like how you interrupted them talking to Kim Food. That's one of my favorite parts.
I don't give a fuck.
No, I wouldn't either. I wouldn't have to do it. No things you do. It does look really good.
Hey, JD, you want to go to Texas Roadhouse?
I would love to. Am I allowed to go this time? I promise I will not stick any rubber dicks on anybody's cars.
Is Chip Foose signing Bobby's car?
Sorry about the clown.
It's all right.
Don't mind her.
Mascot.
Can you ride that dirt?
So pretty. There he is. There's the mayor of the American Muscle Show.
Love it.
HBO, man. Help a brother out. That's what it's all about.
Let's see, that's you.
He's so majestic. Look at him. He's like a Spartan warrior that sells mufflers.
Sam D Media, follow me. Here's Rob.
Oh, I forgot the exposure comp's still up. So you can see my face. Starting to rain. We're going to Texas Roadhouse. Thank you, American Muscle, for a great time. So glad to see a bunch of my friends. My American Muscle friends, my Mustang friends. Friends that don't have Mustangs, but they still went. Alright. Try to go to Texas Roadhouse. My clutch cable broke.